What's up, eggheads? I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, bringing you the best products for the best prices. In this segment, we are taking a gander at the Wurlio K101 Retro Typewriter Mechanical Keyboard. It's an awesome, vintage-inspired, steampunk gaming keyboard. We've had lots of people enjoy it, lots of people ask about it, so we thought it needed a video. All right, so let's check it out. I think this is very cool. It's got 104 keycaps in vintage style and splendor. We see the retro round keycap design, a high quality front panel, quite an innovative structure actually. This should aesthetically please anyone who has an affinity for retro or steampunk. All keys are ABS plastic, that's acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, a super strong thermoplastic polymer that's going to bring stability to your gaming and typing. And that's going to be long term, as this keyboard has passed the 50 million keystroke test. I did the math. That means you could type with this thing at 100 words per minute, 24/7 for 347 days before you break it. That's what I call durable. So I think we've reached the most important part. Let's have a listen at what it sounds like to type on this keyboard. Nice and refreshing. That sounded pretty good, right? We get that soothing, audible, clicky sound. Right, it doesn't only sound great, but the keys and the keyboard itself are both pretty ergonomically designed as well. It might be hard to tell from there, but there's a slight concave structure to the keys. Your fingers will rest very easily onto the caps. This will really help you achieve precise positioning, prevent fatigue, prevent wrong typing, and therefore increase your chances of winning the game. You also got the angle adjusters on the back. Let me flip those up, all right? Angle adjusters on the back to give you more options in how you type as well. You've got a multifunction backlight. I'm gonna plug this into the computer to show you that as well. Okay, check that out. Multifunction backlight. Simply press function plus insert. I'm going to do this upside down for you here. My function key is here, and insert. All right, function plus insert. You can toggle between the various well-known color modes like wave, rainbow, single colors, and the like. All right, just customize it to your heart's content. You can enjoy wide compatibility, as it's going to be plug and play with you for no drivers required. It'll work on Windows or Mac just fine. And pro tip, if you press function plus the Windows key, the Windows button will lock. Do it again and you can unlock it. This is going to be very good if you're playing a game because you don't want to accidentally minimize the game in the heart of battle, right? And that's pretty much it, folks. The Wurlio K101 Retro Typewriter Mechanical Keyboard, boasting 104 keys in retro steampunk style. You've got ABS plastic. It passes the 50 million key benchmark. The keys are ergonomically designed. The keyboard's adjustable. You got lights. You don't need drivers. And it sounds so nice and clicky. For current pricing, please check the description or click the link below. Let us know how you like it in the reviews. I'm Kenan. This has been Newegg Now, and now you know.